in. Go away, Mr. Turner.
Can't do that.
It's easy. Just pretend you're walking in and say, go the other way.
Give me 2 minutes.
I'm entertaining.
You're not.
Oh, call the police.
We both talk. Trying to get control of the chair so I can turn you
I
around,
don't
brother.
mix business and pleasure.
You mix pleasure and pleasure.
You're way out of line.
Give me 2 minutes and I promise I'll never bother you again. I came to apologize.
2 minutes. I'll talk to somebody.
This place.
Action and content.
I gave away the suitcase now. She won't. Well, you know. Something is very sick. What's going on?
Every cent I could beg you down. Cindy's column has never been. She lacks warmth, insight, and most important, sensitivity. People's lives change before our eyes.
Things happen. Give along what she is. It's a favor to me.
And that's why
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're supposed to have public service.
I might be wrong. If I put my makeup on tonight, it saves me 20 minutes in the morning. Time's up. Hey. One more chance.
You have a soft spot.
And right now I'm starting to make some direction.
Just paint this one.
As a former teacher and a mom, I care deeply about education. That's why I'm voting for Amendment 2. Legalizing sports betting means millions more for our classrooms and teacher pay. Amendment 2 is the right thing to do.
Oh, now remember, gotta reach down and way past that citizens.
You can hit back on.
You're sitting at those hard layers. Maniacal stuff. You're sitting girl. Be sensitive. Dear Cindy, my ex and I broke up, but I still can't stop thinking about it. It's 4 months too much time to bury my lost love. So I'm nodding morning. Which, oh good, an ironic one. Right now, you being sensitive to me, say 4 days is too much time. The best way to get over a man is to get under a new one. No, you can't say that. I just did. But it's not sensitive. Maybe it is to a woman. No, say he probably left you because your ass got too big. Say that. Then tell her I can fix it. Put in my name and my office number. This isn't about you. Well, it could be. And I'll give you a finder's fee. No. All right. Be aggressive. There's Cindy. Caught my husband cheating. Probably doesn't find backside. Gravity hits. He loses interest. Sad, really. Well, tell her I can fix it. Put in my name No.
You know what? You're losing a lot of money. You can use.
This goes on. I caught my husband cheating. That's not the worst of it. The woman is not half as attractive as me. Am I wrong for feeling twice as hurt? What would a woman say? Oh, come on, not Kathy.
With the mustache and beard lined up.
Yes.
Hi.
Top and
Listen,
bottom.
I just need to ask you a question.
And line the goatee.
Uh,
Let's say a man is cheating with a woman that's not half as attractive as his wife. Should the wife feel sick that the other woman is ugly?
Oh, you son of a bitch, who the hell is she?
No,
What, you can be man enough to tell me in person? Get that bitch a second from the hand to leave it.
Rhonda?
Cheeky bastard. Hold on a second. I'm calling a lawyer.
Relax, I'm not cheating. I swear I would never.
Well, then, I say he deserves to get stuck with the other girl. I'm going. What? Only want to use the phone?
Oh, that, well, if the husband's cheating, he deserves to end up with her.
Should be honest. They say dogs are a man's best friend. Your man found a real Barber. Remember, one of the dogs.
Fleas. But when you lie down with other dogs alone, the fleas don't hurt you. What? Better.
Better. That's good.
She said to me that it helped.
Told her she's not the only one. So.
But don't get me wrong, I still think she has a long way to go.
Good news? Big one?
I guess so. Slips out now. She likes to call.
I don't. But Ryan, dear, do yourself a favor. Just yell a word now and then. Just tell me. Oh, sure. Gorgeous. Look what's stupid. Why am I always a stereotype?
What are you telling me?
I have a feeling about this. One more word of advice, though. This isn't a game. People might actually read this dribble. Some folks have nowhere else to turn. So if you're gonna do it for real. Don't be a man. Be human.
You want the mustache and beard connected?
yeah. It don't connect.
It connects on this side and on this side it doesn't. So if I clean this side, I think this side look like. If I clean this up, this side will match that side.
Okay.
And don't feel bad, because mine did that too. When I started shaving it off and letting it grow back, that's when it started connecting. It took some time. I had to go through those days of peach fuzz and itching.
Why do you think I'm still with you?
Listen to this one. Dear Cindy, I'm in a monogamous relationship with a great guy.
they're confused. Although multiple partners being sighted, you have to think of them as you would a snowstorm. You never really know when it will come, how long it will last, or how many inches you will get.
Stick to what you already have. It's so much nicer to watch the storm pass, cuddling with someone who loves you. I feel so lonely.
It's the one with the green with the razor line.
Thank you. Apparently, people are,
Tie you around the back so you can see yourself in the back.
they're reading it. Mr. Turner, come in.
Excited to see me?
Oh, no. That always happens when I'm
Yeah,
here.
I like it.
Okay.
Color me.
Straight down. Little sheen.
I'm very pleased to see you. I guess this illness has had a profound effect on her after all. Or you have.
Close your eyes for me. Spice balls.
Anyway, I have to report. It's the first paycheck that Cindy actually deserves.
Forgot all about that. That's great.
You mind if I take a picture of you here?
You look nice today.
Ah, no. Sure.
Okay.
But may I remind you, you've been on your second foot.
No, you have a definite glow.
I'm a bit of a professional sometimes when I see like the herbs.
I'm not
It drive me until I get them.
Iris, what are you bound to about?
Well, he obviously wants one
When I
of
was in
us.
school, the teacher used to be like,
Oh,
what
what
just
the hell?
finish
He'll be
it,
dead
man.
soon anyway.
Dude, I am so not happy with the direction it seems to be going. Dude, get over it.
Transform your home with E&B Granite, St. Louis's top choice for premium countertops and designer cabinets for over 20 years. Elevate your living spaces with our expert craftsmanship, high-quality materials, and meticulous attention to detail, guaranteeing your kitchen and bathroom are beautiful and functional. Our commitment to quality and precision means you're investing in lasting elegance that suits your unique style. Explore our massive showroom or check out our portfolio at ebgranite.com to discover the difference. Schedule your free consultation today.
Alright. Where the hell is she?
Cindy, you're not here.
Every time I call here, you tell me she can't talk. When I call at the office, they tell me she's working at home. She's talking to someone somewhere. It's not me. Not here. What the hell is going on?
What's your name, brother?
Huh?
What's your name?
George.
George, okay. Apologize, I forgot your name.
Oh, that's all right.
I used to have a book called George of the Jungle. One of my favorite childhood books. My friend George, I had me a George, you know, Curious George.
Yeah, Curious George.
It was my homeboy. I had one of them.
I used to have one of those too.
Yeah.
God.
Used to love that nursery rhyme.